The Bentonite Hills in Utah, a vivid rainbow of colorful clay hills, hidden in the barren desert of Utah, dating back 100+ million years ago, formed during the Jurassic period. Come join us as we give you directions and history to this unique location near Hanksville, Utah. The Bentonite Hills are located off of Utah's Highway 24, east of Capitol Reef National Park and just a little west of the town of Hanksville. Once you turn off of Highway 24, it's a rough dirt road called South Cow Dung Road that you will remain on for the remaining 3 miles to the most colorful part of the Bentonite Hills. It's one of the handful of places on Earth that is almost identical to the landscape and climate of Mars. Because of this, the Bentonite Hills is home to the Mars Desert Research Station. The Mars Research Station is a research facility used to prepare for human exploration of Mars. The Bentonite Hills were chosen for the Mars Station location because of its likeliness to the surface of Mars. Continue past the Mars Research Station. There are several great spots to pull off the main dirt road and park starting about a quarter mile beyond the station. Different gear such as spacesuits and tools are tested out here at the Mars Station. Scientists also use the station to develop different field tactics that will be necessary for humans to explore the surface of Mars. The station is one of the 3 simulated Mars analog habitats in the entire world. Choose a place to park and continue the remaining way on foot. You will see the colorful pigment mountains anywhere west of the road. The Bentonite Hills are a strange and colorful clay formation in the Utah desert. The hills date back to over 140 million years ago to the Jurassic period. Bentonite is a type of clay that forms from volcanic ash when it meets seawater in most cases, but sometimes in the freshwater and swampy areas too. The surface of the Bentonite Hills is often described as popcorn-like texture. The bentonite clay that forms these hills gets its popcorn appearance from the bentonite clay absorbing rainwater and drying out over and over again.
We reached the moon.
We did. We're on the moon.
And I did it in a dress. I'm on the moon, folks.
Similar to many other Utah destinations, Hanksville can get extremely hot from late spring to early fall. Temperatures often soar into the 90s and above. Although it's a dry heat, the sun is extremely strong and you can easily get dehydrated. Despite the heat, people often travel to this area then. If you want to avoid the summer heat, then the best time to go is the early spring or late fall when temperatures are mild. We will be making more travel guides to unique locations around Hanksville, Utah, so be sure to check out our Hanksville playlist below. We hope you enjoy your adventure to the Bentonite Hills in Utah. Drop us a comment and let us know how amazing it was. We just got done taking some photos and videos at the moon.
Yeah, you guys are gonna like them.
So, yeah, it's a gorgeous sunset.
Yeah, it's getting really dark, so we need to head back to the car.
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Middle of nowhere, not safe.
Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe to our adventure channel to see more weekly hiking video guides.